Mark chapter 2, the question about fasting. So tell me, when do you fast? When do you fast? When you're fast? Every day. When we fast every day. Because morning is called morning.
Breakfast.
Yes. Break fast. Yes, the morning, because dinner time is 6 o'clock, 7 o'clock, 12 hours. Fast and then break fast. So we fast every day. So John's disciples, this is John the Baptist. John baptized Jesus. The Pharisees were fasting. No food. Fasting is prayer time. Fasting is prayer time. When my stomach, I remember to pray. Fasting is praying time. So when they're fasting, people came, why do John, Pharisees fast, but your disciples don't fast? Why doesn't Jesus' disciples fast? Jesus answers, the wedding guest cannot fast while the groom. This is what's going on. As long as they have the groom, they cannot fast. What does Jesus mean? How many have been to a wedding? How many have you been to a wedding? Do you go to weddings? Yeah, to a wedding. Did you go to weddings sometime? Did you fast?
No, we eat a lot.
Of course not. You eat a lot. That's right. Jesus is the groom. Jesus is the man. The church. People are the women, the bride. Jesus is the groom. The church is the bride. So the groom is here, but the time will come. This is important. The time will come when the groom is taken away. What does Jesus mean? The time will come when I am taken away. Jesus will die. Jesus will die. The time is coming. And then they will fast. Topic. When will you fast besides being fat? When will you fast? Here is a good idea. I will give you double credit. Double credit. Okay? Not each week we write one essay. I will give you double credit for this idea. "40-hour fast." 40-hour fast. If you fast 40 hours, and tell me your experience. Okay? For example, we start at midnight to midnight. It's 24 hours. Noon, 36 hours. 4 p.m., 40 hours. From midnight till 4 p.m. 40-hour fast. Keep a diary. I feel hungry, I don't feel hungry, I am this, I am that. And then write a simple essay for 40-hour fast. Is double credit. Okay? You can start at 6 p.m. 6 p.m., 6 p.m., 24. 6 a.m., 36. Then 10 p.m. or 10 a.m., 40. 6 p.m., 2 nights, 10 a.m. Doesn't matter. 40 hours. Only water. Only water. What? I will give you a tip. At midnight, 6 p.m., Do not eat a lot. Your stomach will stretch, you will die. You will die. It's too hard. Do not eat a lot. So, fasting. Tell me, when will you fast? Now this is very strange. Unshrunk cloth, old garment. Unshrunk old garment. What does this mean? New and old. New and old. New patch, old cloth. What happens if I mix new and old? It will break. New, if I have old pants and new, it will shrink and it will break. New wine. New wine. Old. The new and old don't mix. Jesus is the new. Pharisees are the old. Jesus is the new. The Pharisees are the old. The old and the new don't mix. The old wineskin will stretch. The old wineskin will stretch. The new wine will explode. No mix. The wine will burst. Jesus is the new. Topic. What is your favorite old thing? What is your favorite old thing? Your favorite old clothes? Your favorite old place? Your favorite old custom? What is your favorite old? We're going to stop.